Welcome students. As per your suggestions for last two videos, the font of question is also increases in this video. Hope you can watch easily and understand easily the questions. First question, this is question of second chapter. The method of purification of blister copper is electrolytic reduction, electrorefining, electroplating or electrotyping, and the answer is electrorefining. Refining, that means the purification. Then Daniell cell, it is which type of cell? It is primary cell. Then write reason behind pitting corrosion. Reason is formation of pits or holes, then pitting corrosion occurs. Then what is 1 Faraday? 1 Faraday is 96,500 coulombs. Then galvanizing is example of what? Cathodic protection, anodic protection, hydrogen evolution or oxygen absorption. It is the example of anodic protection because zinc is above iron in the electrochemical series. Then tinning, it is the example of what? It is the example of cathodic protection because tin is at the bottom position with compared to iron in electrochemical series. Therefore, it is the cathodic protection. Then what is immerse corrosion called? It is called as wet corrosion. Another name of immerse corrosion is wet corrosion. Then what atmospheric corrosion called? It is called as dry corrosion. Then corrosion of metal means what? It is decay of metal or destruction of metal. Then metal at the top of electrochemical series are whether more active, less active, inert or none. They are the most active metals. Then electrochemical equivalent may be defined as dash of substance deposited by passage of 1 coulomb of electricity. It is the weight of substance deposit by passage of 1 coulomb of electricity. It is known as electrochemical equivalent. Electrode potential, it is the tendency of metal to lose and gain electrons. It is known as electrode potential. Then next numerical is the weight of substance deposited in 1.34 gram is 1.34 gram. Calculate current in ampere when the process of electrolysis is carried out in 4 minutes given ECE 0.001118. Now in this numerical, weight of substance is given, that means W is given, which is 1.34. Z is given, that means ECE, it is 0.001118. Time is given 4 minutes, but it is given in minutes. You have to convert it into seconds, that means 4 into 60. And with the help of this, you have to calculate the current, which is in ampere. C is equal to W upon ZT. W is 1.34 upon 4 into 60 into 0.001118. You will get answer, that is 4 ampere. It is the amount of current. Then next is calculate electrochemical equivalent of aluminum if equivalent weight is given 108. You have to calculate the electrochemical equivalent, that means ECE, while CE is given, which is also known as chemical equivalent or equivalent weight. Then use this formula, CE is equal to ECE upon 96,500 and ECE is equal to CE, which is 108 upon 96,500. You will get 0.00139. This is the answer. This is the electrochemical equivalent of aluminum. Now question number 15. Which ions moves to anode during electrolysis? Anions moves to anode during electrolysis. Calculate the weight of substance deposit when current of 2.5 ampere is passes for 20 minutes given ECE 0.000304. Now what is given? current is given, which is 2.5 ampere. Time is given 20 minutes. Convert it into seconds. That means 20 into 60. Z is given, that is ECE, which is 0.000304. With the help of this, calculate weight of substance. W is equal to ZCT. Multiply this 2.5 into 20 into 60 into 0.00304. You will get answer, that is 0.912. It is the weight of substance deposited. Metal at the bottom of electrochemical series are, these are the less active metals which are act as a cathode in electrolysis. Then next is oxidation potential. It is the tendency of metal to lose electrons. It is known as oxidation potential. While reduction potential, it is the tendency of metal to gain electron. Foodstuff containers should not be tin, galvanized, electroplated or all. It should not be galvanized because zinc for poisonous product with food. Therefore, it should not be galvanized. Food containers should be tin. That means coating of food containers should be of tin. Which process is used for coating superior metal on base metal? Electroplating process it is used for coating superior metal on base metal. Which process is used for obtaining pure metal from impure metal? Electrorefining. It is the process used for obtaining pure metal from impure metal. Which of the following is weak electrolyte? 4 electrolytes are given: NaCl, HCl, NH4OH and NaOH. Out of this, NH4OH is weak electrolyte. Which of the following is strong electrolyte? BaSO4, then HCOOH, NH4OH, NaOH. These are the first three are the weak electrolyte, while NaOH, which is strong base, it is strong electrolyte. The compounds formed by ionic bonds are dash conductor of electricity. They are good conductor of electricity because there is formation of ions. Therefore, they are good conductors of electricity. The compounds formed by covalent bonds are dash conductor of electricity. They are bad conductors of electricity. Which is an electrolyte out of this? And the answer is sodium chloride, because it is electrovalent substance, therefore it is an electrolyte. While carbon dioxide, it is covalent, sodium it is metal, and ethylene is also covalent. When aqueous solution of silver nitrate is used as an electrolyte during electrolysis, the ion goes at cathode are, which ions goes at cathode? That is silver ions goes at cathode, because at cathode cations are deposited and solution contains silver nitrate, and silver nitrate solution containing Ag plus ions, which are the positive ions which goes to cathode. Name the mechanism of corrosion in given situation. A metallic structure with two dissimilar metal built in a river polluted with acidic waste from nearby industry. This is the hydrogen evolution type of mechanism, because here two dissimilar metals are in contact with each other and acidic waste is present. Therefore, there is hydrogen evolution type of mechanism. Then during electro-refining of blister copper, H2SO4 is added to electrolyte. What is role of H2SO4 is to increase the conductivity of copper sulfate solution. Then in this cell, the overall reaction is oxidation, reduction, redox or decomposition. The reaction is redox, that means both oxidation and reduction. The process of decomposition of electrolyte in presence of electric current, it is called as electrolysis. Then the mathematical expression for Faraday's first law is W is equal to ZCT. This is the first is the answer, mathematical equation of Faraday's first law. The method of electrolysis which is used to improve the corrosion resistance of metal is known as electroplating. That means in this case there is coating or plating of superior metal on the base metal to improve the corrosion resistance of metal. In next part we will see again the second chapter in detail. Thank you.